Gen CX, with its focus on customizable data for training AI models, sounds like a powerful tool for personalizing the customer experience. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Gen CX is an innovative solution designed to transform customer experience through the power of generative AI. Leveraging advanced AI models trained on customizable data, Gen CX offers unparalleled capabilities to personalize, enhance, and streamline customer interactions. By using customizable data, Gen CX can train AI models specific to a brand's target audience and their unique needs. This allows for highly personalized interactions and recommendations exceeding generic experiences. AI models trained on relevant customer data can understand customer behavior, preferences, and buying patterns better. This leads to more relevant product suggestions, content recommendations, and overall CX improvements. Gen CX customizable data approach might involve in-depth customer segmentation, allowing brands to extract valuable insights specific to different customer groups. These insights can be used to personalize marketing campaigns, optimize product offerings, and improve customer service strategies. In the age of personalization, Gen CX's ability to tailor AI models can give brands a significant edge. They can create unique and memorable customer experiences that stand out from the competition. Gen CX helps brands connect more closely with customers to better understand their interactions, behaviors, and sentiments. By using Gen CX, brands can ask for guidance to design and activate customer experiences quickly and reliably, drawing valuable insights from their own data. This tool enables brands to create more meaningful and effective customer engagements based on a deeper understanding of customer needs and preferences. Moving forward, by leveraging the insights provided by Gen CX, brands can effectively build and nurture an audience of their best customers, leading to stronger relationships and improved business outcomes. Let's look into today's headlines. With its context caching capability, Google's Gemini API improves AI. Context caching is a new feature of Google's Gemini API that aims to streamline AI workflow and cut expenses. This innovation facilitates easier and faster access for subsequent requests by allowing developers to store frequently used input tokens into a dedicated cache. By eliminating the need to repeatedly pass the same tokens to a model, context caching significantly enhances efficiency. Microsoft reclaims its position as the most valuable company in the world. Following a 3.4% decline in its shares, Nvidia lost its ranking as the most valuable corporation in the world to Microsoft. Microsoft reclaimed the top spot with a market value of $3.30 trillion, while Nvidia's market capitalization fell by $91 billion to $3.34 trillion. Dell Technologies and Supermicro Computer are competitors for both Microsoft and Nvidia in the server business. Accenture to acquire FiberMind in an effort to improve fiber and mobile 5G network services. Accenture has announced to acquire FiberMind, an Italy-based network services company specializing in fiber and mobile 5G networks deployment as well as infrastructure engineering services. The acquisition will strengthen Accenture's capabilities in the domain and extend network services to clients across multiple industries, including telecommunications, utilities, and transportation. PCB anti-dumping duty impacts PLI recipients of IT hardware. Industry insiders claim that the anti-dumping taxes on bare printed circuit boards, that is PCBs, that the center imposed in March and extended for 5 years have rendered the products manufactured globally by Indian IT hardware manufacturers unproductive. The 30% anti-dumping duty was imposed as a decision of the Commerce Ministry following complaints from 6 Indian PCB manufacturers represented by the Indian Printed Circuit Association regarding low-cost imports from China and Hong Kong. Karnataka willing to offer 20% subsidy for semiconductor investments. The Karnataka Large and Medium Industries Minister M.B. Patil is prepared to offer 20% subsidy support for investments in semiconductor projects if the centre provides 50% equity support. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.